I feel like I'm doing short and sweet dips for you guys. Back at Berks Bridge. Super nice, and I haven't had a hot shower since I think Monday. I know, amazing hair for not even a hot shower. So today I'm gonna enjoy here. And somebody asked before actually that why is there no fish? But there is some fish. I can see some fish here. But I think by the time I get in, the fish just scarper. So that's why when you see underwater filming, there are no fish when I'm in there. But I can assure you, there's two I've seen now. They're just pretty tiny, maybe my hand span, but they're lovely. But here's the bridge. I feel that today is a good day. Wild blueberries and a swim. Perfect. There's a little bird cheeping away, but it's stopped now. But yeah, there's something quite nice about listening to the sounds of nature, the river, or the creek, or the gill, wherever you are in the world, the stream. The bird, you can hear the leaves, something quite magical. Right now I guess I'm going through a process of just letting go, and the Wim Hof Method is all about letting go of what no longer serves you, and build up within what does serve you, or what you want to keep as your core. So it's really checking in the last few dips that I've been doing, and it's been a really wonderful process of just having some time out in between work, and just, this is when I sit and watch the world go by. It's not quite the coffee shop like I used to do 10 years ago, but I really just like tuning in and connecting into these beautiful sounds.